up guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. I'm excited about today's video because we just got our portable ice bath in, and so we're gonna get it put together. It looks really small, but I'm excited to put it together. So we decided to get a portable ice bath so we can take it with us. We have an RV and we just started traveling, and so this is gonna be fun to be able to take it with us. I think we're gonna set it up here in the garage, right next to our infrared sauna. So we're gonna get this put together and talk to you a little bit about health benefits and why we do it here. We've been doing it here in our bathtub and throwing ice in the bathtub. This thing's gonna be really cool.
Bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, so we're gonna get it put together real quick and then we'll be back. We're gonna start filling it up with water.
I'm just gonna get it with water because I want to.
And we're gonna run to town here shortly, and I'm gonna get a bag of ice so we can try it out. Super easy to put together. It was super affordable. We're gonna try it out, see how we like it. We'll probably end up doing another review on it. Let you guys know if it's worth buying or not, but I think we're gonna get a lot of use out of this.
Yep.
Yeah. How I'm gonna do it at first is I'm gonna do it after a workout because I think that's gonna be easiest for me. And I'm gonna do that for a while, and then my ultimate goal is to actually do it first thing in the morning. When are you gonna do it, Gavin?
Kind of whenever.
Yeah, whenever you're feeling like it.
But some mornings I might do it with you when I wake up.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna get this thing filled up. So one negative thing I guess you could say with a cold plunge like this, getting it to the temperature that we want it, we are going to have to add ice. So I bought these little cone blocks to fill up with water and put in our freezer. And so I bought 4 right now. I forgot to put them in the freezer. So we're going to have to go get a bag of ice this time. But I'm going to try these out and see if we can get it the temperature that we want it to get, or I may have to end up buying more of these little molds. But these are pretty cool. They'll, you know, freeze up and have big blocks of ice.
I think we're at least gonna have to take like a block out of this
To put in here?
Yeah.
So you think only one of these ice blocks to make that cold?
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2. So we got 4 of them, so we'll test that out and see.
Like, if we put all 4 of them in, I don't think we will want the temperature that we need.
Is that cold?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold already.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to continue to get this filled up, and then we're going to get it in.
It's cold already. There's no ice.
Okay, it's all filled up, and just real quick I want to go over some health benefits and reasons why we do the cold plunge. So number 1, it helps with muscle soreness. I love to work out. I love to lift heavy weights, so I have sore muscles. So this is going to help with muscle repair and the soreness and inflammation that I have from lifting. Another thing that it does is it enhances your mood. It gives you that dopamine rush, enhances your mood up to even 2 hours after you're done with the cold plunge. And I can attest to that because there was one time that I was having a terrible day. I was grouchy, like I can't even remember exactly what happened, but it was just one of those terrible days. And it was before, obviously, we had this and we were doing the cold plunges in our bathtub. And Cora's like, get in the cold plunge. I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. I was in a bad mood. I'm not doing it. And anyway, he convinced me to do it. And I'm telling you what, my mood completely changed. Like all the stress and worry and everything from that day was just lifted immediately. And I felt so much better. It makes you mentally stronger, it makes you physically stronger, it allows you to be able to adapt to cold stresses. I love everything about health, so this is just so cool to me. But your liver actually releases cold shock proteins, and that actually helps repair at the cellular level. So I think that is just really really cool. Another thing is, I don't know if you know or not, but we have different kinds of fats in our body. So we have this thing called brown fat, and it's actually the thermostat in our body. You get in the cold plunge, that actually activates the brown fat, which then helps you burn the visceral fat, which is the bad fat. Dylan, did you dunk your head in there and I didn't even know?
Yeah, we're dunking our heads in it.
Oh my gosh. I'm not even paying attention to them. Was it cold?
Yeah, it's freezing.
It's freezing. So anyway, I'm not gonna get too much into it, but it helps activate good fat that helps you burn the bad fat, the visceral fat that a lot of times we hold in our abdomen area, which causes health issues and diseases down the road. This is good for doing it first thing in the morning to wake you up and get your day started, make you mentally, physically stronger, and be able to, you know, attack your day with goodness. It's also good to do right before bed. It helps you sleep. Colder is not always better. Keeping the temperature between 48 to 50 degrees is good. Starting at 3 to 6 minutes when you're actually doing the cold immersion or cold plunge. You can actually start doing it and taking cold showers every day. And right before you're ready to get out, step out of the water, turn it to as cold as you can.
That's what I did.
Take a deep breath in and just go right underneath that water and start out with 30 seconds and then move up to maybe a minute. To a minute in the shower you'll be able to get the benefits of the cold plunging or the cold therapy. I don't know why I'm so scared.
Ice bath challenge, here we go.
Cold? Okay, going out to the sun.
How was it?
It was okay. I think we need to cool it off a little bit more.
You cold too, Liz? Are you cold? You shaking.
Woo! Okay, you up next?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a little warm first, maybe get in the sauna for a minute.
Okay. All right, Gavin's in the infrared sauna, so it's at 170 degrees right now, so he's about ready to get out of there, and he's gonna go into there. Are you about ready?
Yeah.
You going now?
Not yet.
Okay. What'd you think?
Was
it easier getting out of the sauna?
Nope.
Nope, same.
Same.
It's hard.
It's still hard.
Look at you doing pull-ups, mister.
It's really nice though. It sucks while you're in it,
Yeah,
but once you get out, it's like, oh, it's easy.
the hard part's over.
Yeah, hard part's over.